Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some happy mail to share with you. This came in today. This is from Felicia. This is from Feli. Oh my gosh, girl. You didn't even tell me you were sending me something. What is going on? This is so funny. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Feli. You didn't have to. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm struggling. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to edit this part out because this is... Oh my goodness. Look at this. Okay, you guys get to see first. What's in here? Oh, a bunch of goodies with some fluff and stuff. Oh my god. She sent me a bow. She makes crochet bows, guys. I got a bow. Look at these teeny tiny flamingos. Oh my god. Oh, there's another one. And there's another bow. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So cute, Feli. Thank you. Oh my gosh. There's the card. Oh my goodness. Look at this little flower. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh yes, you know, I'm saving that. I'm going to save that, Feli. Oh, thank you so much. Here's another bow. I got 3 bows. I got 3 bows. Uh oh, was this here? Was this on this one? Was this on here? Oh, Feli, I'm so sorry. That's just how it came out. Let me turn it over. Oh my god. The whole time. It's always like that. I'm always looking at the back of the package. I'm so sorry. Look at these pretty bows and the flamingos. You know, look at me. I'm keeping everything, guys. This will be my little pile of goodies. Where did the flamingo go? This must be a punch. Is this a punch, Feli? Oh my gosh. I'm picking all the flamingos out, guys. Sorry. Bear with me. I love these things. Look at these pretty bows. Oh my gosh, there's a heart. Girl. I love crochet. I crochet, but I haven't been crocheting lately. Been kind of taking a break from it, I guess, because you know, kind of you go up and down in your mojo sometimes, you know. Oh, Feli, this is so pretty. Here's another flower. Oh, this is a bag topper, guys. It has to be. Oh, it's an envelope. Oh, it's an envelope. Oh my god. Okay, let me make sure I got it. Oh my gosh, I did not even get everything out. Let me take everything out first before we go into it. Oh my gosh, Feli. Yay. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at all her hearts and her bows, guys. You need to check her out on Instagram. She has some amazing goodies that she hand makes. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm picking every single flamingo. They're so cute, Feli. Thank you so much. I'm learning. Oh, there's more in here. More flamingos. But of course I'm not going to leave them behind, so I'm grabbing them. This is so fun. Thank you, Feli. Oh my gosh. Oh, Feli. Thank you, hon. Oh my god. Sorry for my voice. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. I don't know what just happened there. Just kind of lost my voice. This is so pretty. Okay. And look at this. More. Oh my gosh, the flowers. They're so pretty. And they're so delicate, Feli. Oh my gosh. Is this the card? Which is the card? Because there's so many. This is beautiful. This is the card. Oh, wanted to thank you for the beautiful happy mail from your giveaway. Feli. Girl, this is adorable. This is a watermelon, if you haven't realized. It's a beautiful watermelon card. Oh my gosh, Feli, thank you so much. This is gorgeous, and it just fits in like that. That's so cute. I love it. I haven't even opened anything yet. Look at all these goodies. Oh my gosh, where do I'm gonna start with I'm gonna start with this one. Enjoy today. Look at all her layers. I don't have a scalloped heart punch, but you know what? I have a cricket. Look at her leaves. Oh, Feli, this is so cute. I love it. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my gosh. More flamingos. Oh, this is so cute. So this is what Happy Mail should look like, people. My goodness. Oh, she shared some doilies. Oh, you guys, you don't even know. I love doilies. And they're always the hardest thing for me to let go of because they're so pretty. I love those. Look at this one. Has like a there's like a paper foiling treatment on that. Can you guys see all that? And you got a blue with the white. It's so pretty, and a pink. And look at this print right here. Oh my god, that just reminds me of surfboards. I don't know why. Like tiki, and then it reminds me of the hibiscus. That's so pretty. Thank you, Feli. And she cut me some of these cards that she used to share washi on. Look at the washi too, guys. There's shades on here. Seashells. It says happy, bright, love, beautiful day, shine. Oh, so cute. And this one has some little colorful birds on here. Oh, it's so pretty. And then this one says happiness, dream, love. This one says love, laugh, live. Had to look at like, okay, what does that mean? Love, live, laugh, love. Very cute. Oh my gosh. Just breathe, free something, be free. Just breathe. Beautiful. Thank you. Oops. These are like ice creams, tropical drinks. Oh my gosh, rainbows, pizza. Oh, this looks like the paper pad that I had. Float on. What? Oh god, I have this paper pad. I didn't know they had washi. Oh my gosh, look at this blue, very blue, like purple and bluish color. Pretty. And she gave me some tulle. Look at this beautiful tulle. Dream and love. That's what that washi says. But oh, so pretty. Oh yes, you know, I'm going to use this green. Beautiful. Oh my God. She shared so many with me. This is so cool. Oh, they're different sizes. Oh my God. 2 different sizes, guys. I love this. Thank you, Feli. Oh my gosh. And then we have some tags. Oh, thank you, Feli. Enjoy today. I'd swim the ocean for you. So pretty. Inspire. And I love this. The tropical trees, the coconut trees, and some gold treatment. Love that. And this one's Sweet Escape. Yes. And this one is Daydream. Yes, girl. Yes. I love this. So pretty, Feli. Thank you so much. I cannot say thank you enough. This is so unexpected, girl. And this beautiful card. I love that. Can you see that? That's so pretty. I'm going to go right down the road. I'm just going to do like that. This one says Shine Beautiful. All right. What's in here? What is this? Feli. Oh, she got some stitching on here. Oh my God. This is a little cute box. I like that. She got some pineapple layers on there. I love this leaf, of course. Hibiscus. Oh my God. I love this. Feli. Oh, look at her tassels. Oh my God. I love it. I love it. Look at these. Oh my God. I got goosebumps. These are so pretty. You guys have to see her teeny tiny beads. And she did a button. She did a button. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. Oh, I love this paper. Oh my gosh. Feli, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. I'm so thankful for you. Girl, this is so adorable. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Feli. Thank you. In this cute little box. Isn't that cute, guys? Look at this. So pretty to open that up. I love that style of box. She stitched every side of this paper. Oh my goodness. Even the inside here. Oh my goodness. Love it. Whoops. That is so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh. What did I do to deserve this, girl? You won my prize. Fair and square. Look at this little package. It's like a pillow. She made this. Oh, I love that. And there's the washi that she shared with me. The shades. So cute. Oh, look at how. Oh, she even put the little paper ribbons there. That is so pretty, Feli. Oh my gosh. Look at how she shared her. Oh, these are leaves. Oh, I love it. Feli. Oh my God. That is so cute. Look at how she did that. Oh, I love these leaves. Oh my gosh, you guys. You know what? The thing is, I do this with my money lays. I don't know why I didn't relate it to do it with the papers that we do, that we use. And they're so pretty. Oh, Feli, thank you. What a great idea. I love that. Oh my gosh. And then look at her little paperclip banner. She stitched it and everything. Oh my goodness, Feli. I'm loving this coconut drink. It is thick layered on there. Oh my gosh. Here's that leaf again. And it says fun. That little blingy bling right here. Oh, this is so sweet. I love this. Feli, look at her topper. She stitched it zigzag. There's her plume. I call these plumerias. I'm gonna call these plumerias, okay? Just, you know, hit me up if you think it's something else. But I think these are like little plumerias because I'm from Guam and these are so popular. Or not popular, but they're all over the island and they smell beautiful. And look at her ribbon. I mean, her tool that she used behind her little banner there. And she stitched it all together. That is so pretty. She did stitching around the packaging and she's got her little stickers here. Oh my God, I love those. Oh, there's the shades again. Oh, so cute. What you put in here, girly? What you put in here? What did you do? Oops, I ripped it a little. I'm so sorry. Oh, it's the pineapples. You guys, these are layered. There's like the back layer, then the top layer, and then you have another layer over it with the cutout to make the skin of the pineapple. And these little flowers. Oh, I love that. That is a sticker from something. I don't know. But that is so cute. Pineapple embellishments. Yes. I think that was it, right? Yes, that'd be it. Yes, ma'am. That is cute. Oh my God, this thing is gorgeous. Here's another one. The same. She stitched around it. And she's got the mini paper ruffles. I love it. Oh my gosh. There's her palm tree. Oh my goodness. This is a piece toucan. This is a cut file. It looks like a cut file. And she pieced everything together, guys, on this little birdie. Toucan. Or whatever the name of the bird is. This is so pretty. I love it. You guys. Oh, look at her bows. Oh my God. Look at her bows. Oh, I love this Feli. So pretty. Oh, I love this. That green is everything. Guys, this is so pretty. Handmade. She stamped the back. So cute. Okay. So we're going to go down the line. Look at her little embellishment book. It got a little smash, but it's good. It's perfectly fine. She got her little swan up here and the little rosette. She put some glitter on here. Is this Wink of Stella? And she's got some thread. Isn't that pretty? Now, I don't know what this is, but I love it. It's iridescent and it's thin like paper. It's soft. It's not hard like vinyl. It's not hard like vinyl. It's very soft. I like that. Oh my gosh. This swan is so pretty too. Is that a die? Is this a die, Feli, or a cut file? But oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. She stitched all around here. She stitched the spine. It's okay. It's just the post service that just shoved everything in the box. But we can survive. And she's got her little button bling here. And look at the tiniest seed bead. Oh yes. I think that's the Dollar Tree seed bead actually. But I love what she did. And she put handmade in the back. Oh, I can fix this, Feli. Don't panic. Oh, oh, okay, this one just fell off of it, that's all. Oh, it's popcorn. Oh, there's the toucan. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. There's the pineapple. Oh, she made the cotton candies. Look at her little ticket. And she's got this gorgeous thread. I don't know if you guys can see this thread. It's like copper color. So super cute. Oh my gosh. And this layering. This one says popcorn. And these are layered of popcorns here. Is this the Cricut or your Silhouette? Or I forget what machine you told me you had. But this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at her cotton candy. You guys, I'm at 19 minutes already. Oh my goodness. Look at her hot air balloon and her mini tickets. And these clouds. This is so cute, Feli. And then this one has the gold. I think this is gold. This is copper. This is gold. Gold thread there, guys. Oh, it's so teeny tiny, these tickets. Oh my gosh, I love this. The toucan, and she's got little silver threads here. That is so pretty. Oh, I love the way she layered it, and it's different papers. I'm learning, guys, because I'm so used to just using the same paper, and then, you know, everything just ends up blending together. This pops. Everything is popping here. Look at her flower and her leaf. Look at this flamingo. She pieced this flamingo, guys. It's all pieced. The bill, all that, and then she put the little eye. Look at her little palm tree. I love this. It's so pretty, Feli. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much for sharing all this with me. And she stitched everything, guys. The strap, the latch, it's all stitched, and it's so pretty. I love this. Okay, I mean, calm down, calm down. We're down to the last one, guys. So, oh my goodness, Feli. This is too much. This is more than my prize that I gave you, girl. Oh my God, look at this. Look at these tickets. And another box. Look at the layers on that. Everything is stitched. Everything is stitched. This beautiful box. Teeny tiny. I wonder what's in here. She has her tassels. They're ready to go. They are ready, girl. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This little jelly roll candy, whatever you want to call it. That is adorable. I'm going to make some. Oh my gosh. And she got little sea beads here. Oh, I love it. Look at the way she did her wire wrapping. So beautiful. Feli. And a little touch of the tissue just folding over like that. So super special. That is adorable. Oh my gosh. Feli, this is too much, girl. What is this? Ah! These are so cute. Look at this. Oh my God, I got goosebumps. Look at this. These are mini Ferris wheels. Oh my God. That is so cute. I didn't even show you what was the topper. Look at her little mini rosette. And she's got a little scallop circle behind it and the swan. It's so cute. Perfect sizes. Girl, I'm learning. I am learning from you because this is a good old Happy Mail. This is what a Happy Mail should look like. Oh my God. Look at these. This beautiful gold paper. Oh my gosh, guys. Wow. Double banners. And she's got, no, triple banners. There's 3 layers of banners here. And she stitched it together. Oh, this is so pretty with the mini rosette in the back and another scallop circle. So super tiny. And a little bling at the corner. That is gorgeous. Just gorgeous, girl. Feli. Look, like, this is not small enough. Amazing what we could do with the little machines. Like, that's not small enough. We're going to go even smaller. This gorgeous thing right here. Oh, my goodness. She's got it popped up even. And she's got the little mini banners on here. Oh, Feli. Oh, thank you so much, Felicia. Oh, my gosh. What did she do? More bows. Look at this. With the gold bows. And then the white tulle bows. Oh, it's so pretty. Feli. This is the last one with this microscopic paper, not paper clip, clothespin. It's so super tiny, guys, and perfect. You just put the topper on there. Stitch another ribbon here and the tickets. This is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. What do we have in here? I wonder, can you guys guess? Are they more leaves? They're hearts! Oh my God, I love this. This is a different style heart too. Oh my God, and she stamped a handmade. Feli. Thank you so much. This is so unexpected and appreciated. All of the above, girl. This is too much. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't deserve all this. I don't know what else to say. But these are so beautiful, guys. Check her out on Instagram. Oh my goodness. I will leave the link down below. Go check this chick out. Well, thank you all for watching, and I appreciate you for coming in and spending time with me and joining my lives. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.